Hello and welcome to another update video about VRA Verasity. Not a bad chart, I have to say. I mean, it is an altcoin chart, so again, these setups do often break. That's just what altcoins do, especially here in the bear market. However, this is one of the, I would say, better charts actually. We have a 5-wave move up here into the 2021 highs and a potential wave 2 down, which might have bottomed in January this year. So these 5 waves up are currently primary scenario. They are not super reliable. I always have to point out if something isn't perfect. And here the wave 1 is certainly not an impulse, so you can count it as a diagonal, so it's a bit questionable. It could therefore be an ABC structure as well. That would certainly be the bearish alternative. So I'll highlight that on the chart as alternative. A, B, C. But if I compare the different altcoin charts, this is one of the better ones, I would say. Now, looking at the structure here then, let's zoom in a little bit. We can say, and we discussed that in the previous video already, that this could be another small 1-2 setup. I'm going to change the wave degree in a minute. Basically, wave wave 2 of larger degree, wave 3. So let's just change here the wave degree. And I have no indication at the moment that this pullback, this corrective pullback has bottomed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the Fibonacci support levels onto the chart that we need to pay attention to. And it's this region. So I'm going to take the 50% fib level out because we broke it already. But here, we're currently sitting on the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement at 0.004. Again, no sign it has bottomed, so I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down to 0.003 to test the 78.6 fib level. If it gets all the way down to that level and breaks it, then I wouldn't give this bullish scenario a chance. What might happen then is that it's simply resetting the larger wave 2. What is the lifetime support on this chart? So what is the larger degree wave 2 support? Just in case the smaller degree one breaks. So it is, that's sort of really the, you could say, a bearish pivot point. 0.0007. So there's a lot of room to go. As long as it's holding that level, that's the lifetime 78.6 fib level. As long as it's holding that level, things are not too bad on this chart, Things are not too bad, but ideally it's not even going to break below the December 22 or January 23 low. Looking a little bit at the microstructure, well, I mean, it's pretty, I'd say it's pretty clear that this was an A wave, 3-wave move up in a B, and we could be coming down now in a C wave. And to be honest, the microstructure is very hard to decipher here, so I'd like to leave that open. Could be an ending diagonal that's coming down here. If I use Fibonacci extensions to add a more precise target, length of the C wave, we're typically looking for the 1-to-1 ratio. And that's here at 0.0033, so pay attention to that level as well. Now, support is clear, Fibonacci support is clear. When can we say that a low has been made? So I think what would be good, first signal, that a low has been established here, would be a break above 0.0058. This swing high, that would be a first really, really good signal that a low has been made. And target for the third wave could be quite aggressive actually. From the current low, I can really only measure it from the current low. I mean, we talk about 6.2 cents, that is quite aggressive, that move up. Let's see if it's gonna happen, but it actually performed quite well of the January lows. So in terms of percent, 400%, and it has retraced, but in a corrective way. So again, it's a chart I find interesting. Certainly one of the better ones across the altcoin sector at the moment. That's my update about Verasity. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.